Okay guys, just in case you're interested, our tornado siren having a test. I live pretty close to it. Jeez, I just cleaned this yesterday. It's over there, that direction. And it is loud. It sounds like it's right here. Just a Kilgore tank. I took all the parts out of it, like the I hope to get the 2 other Kilgores. The one after this one with the cadet looking trapway, and then the one like I had. So yeah, I guess I'll end it when it's over. I'll take the tank off of here. There, it's going down. Alright, it's off now. I'm gonna clean the Kilgore, or at least drain it. God. Well, that was loud. See, you can see the vinegar. I was cleaning it last. I'm finished cleaning it. See where I rubbed off the vinegar. So yeah, bye.